In this video, I'll show you how to use Dify AI to build apps. Dify AI is a platform that lets you create apps, workflows, and automations without needing to know how to code. You just describe what you want in plain language and the platform builds it for you. First, open your browser and search for Dify AI. Click on the website and then click on Get Started. Now you will need to log in. You can sign in with GitHub, Google, or your email address. If you use email, you will receive a verification code, so make sure you have access to your inbox. Once you are logged in, you will be taken straight to your studio. Inside the studio, you will see the option to create a new app. You have two choices here. You can either start from blank and build your app from scratch, or you can choose from a pre-built template. If you are a beginner, starting with a template is a great way to get going quickly. Once you pick your starting point, just describe what you want your app to do in plain language. Dify AI will then generate the app structure, the code, and the user interface for you automatically. After it is built, you can test it, make changes, add new features, and adjust anything you want directly inside the platform. That is how you do it.